here at Titchmarsh just before sunset. It's one of my local nature reserves, and I've been coming here for a good few years. And until last year I'd never seen barn owls here. But last summer at last I was able to get some decent footage of a pair of barn owls, and they actually were successful in raising 4 young. Well, I have it on good authority that they've been spotted here regularly again at the reserve, and I'm hoping to get some hunting footage. All that's on view at the moment is a red kite wheeling in the heavens. The sun's almost set and it's bitterly cold. Well, these are the reed beds where they've been spotted every evening hunting. It's bitterly cold, but the light's fantastic. The twilight, I think it's magical. As the temperature dropped, we didn't think we were going to see an owl, and then suddenly, almost on cue out of the northwest, came our barn owl hunting over the reeds. What a magical sight that is. Last year when I filmed the barn owls here, it was mostly at the owl box where they reared their 4 young. Didn't actually get any footage of them out hunting. It's coming right past us now. I'm actually shooting this on a Panasonic Lumix FZ1000 using manual focus. I thought it'd be a good low light test for it. Well, that bird disappeared, and then we assumed this was another bird that came into view, and we found out later it was a pair. Pretty sure it's the pair re-establishing their territory prior to hopefully breeding again. The Lumix is handling the low light situation pretty well at the moment. It's pretty dark out there. I'm using an ISO of 800 at the moment. It actually goes up to 3,200. What a magical sight that is, a barn owl hunting in the twilight. It's actually easier to get this kind of footage this time of year, obviously, because it gets dark earlier. Well, I've just switched from manual focus to autofocus on the FZ1000, and it is hunting a little bit, but once it locks onto things, every now and then it'll go out of focus, as you can see there. So manual focus is better in this kind of light. The manual focus has got peaking with it and focus assist, which is handy. Brilliant. Well, the light started to drop until it was almost pitch black, and we made our way back to the car park, and on the track that leads back to the car park, the owls were still visible. And you can see it's almost pitch dark now. The sun had set, but I'm still using the same ISO. You can still see the owl there. If I'd have used a higher ISO, it probably would have been better, but I didn't have time to change it. It's not too bad, considering. Well, it's absolutely bitter cold, as I said, so I'm going home for a hot meal and a warm fire.